Hello, it's Ms. Prater here, and today we're going to be working on exponential growth. The problem is Northeast Mecklenburg High School has 1,000 students, so I'm going to underline or highlight that. In 2003, as in experiencing an increase of 12% in its student population each year. Find the number of students after the year 2021. As you can see here at the top, it's not very visible, so I'm going to go ahead and write it down below. I have the basic formula, so it's y equals c times 1 plus r to the t power. Okay, so when we talk about c, we talk about our initial amount. So in this case, how many students did we start off with? You want to ask yourself, what was that initial number? And in this case, it was the 1,000 students. So I'm going to take out C and put in 1,000. Parentheses 1 plus the rate. Now R, as we know, is always expressed as a decimal when we go to put it in the problem. When we're going to put it in the equation. However, in the problem, it is expressed as a percent. So off to the side, I have 12%. And I know to change that, I can move the decimal sign to the left 2 times. So now it is 0.12 as a decimal. So I'm going to put 0.12 in here. And to the t power. Now, t means time. I want to know how much time has passed. Because we started off in 2003 and we ended up in 2021. So again, I'm going to do my math down to the bottom. 2021 minus 2003. So you have to take away from this 2. Carry the 1, that's 11 minus 3, which is 8. 1 minus 0 is 1. 0 minus 0, 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. So 18 years will have passed. So therefore, we have put our raised to the 18th power. Now, luckily for us, this is a calculator active problem on the EOC, so you can use a calculator. But before I put this in a calculator, I would like to combine like terms, or to combine what I see here in the parentheses. So I have y equals 1,000. 1 plus 0.12 is 1.12 raised to the 18th power. Now this will be a little bit easier to put into the calculator. So go ahead and cut my calculator on. Some calculators may appear a little bit different. As you see here, I'm working with the TI-83. Some of you guys may have TI-84. So just be careful, be mindful of what calculator you have and you will be using on your EOC. So you do not have to put the y equals into the calculator. You start with your c, which is your initial amount. So I have 1,000. Notice I have parentheses in my problem. I'm going to put parentheses in my calculator times 1.12. I'm going to close that parentheses just like that. This little caret here means exponent. And to make sure that I'm doing this accurately and that it never hurts, because sometimes your time may be a fraction, I'm also going to put my exponent in parentheses. And so once I do that, press enter. And it says here my answer is 7,689.9. We're going to round that up to 7. So it says find the number of students after 2021. Well, we know we can't have a point number of students, so this means we're going to have to round up to the whole number. So we would really have 7,690 students in North Mech after the year 2021. Thank you, and I hope you found this video